say, you're a working girly, baby, go ahead, throw this wig up on your mammy tapping head. Your man is yelling at you that you late. Go ahead, girl, throw this wig up on your mammy tapping wig. You know what I mean? The kids is yelling, you got to get into the car. Go ahead, girl, throw this wig up on your mammy tapping head.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Intisar, Eleanor. I'm here with the new unit from Hermosa Hair. So Hermosa Hair sent me this goddamn wig a month ago. If they wouldn't deliver it to my house, like they needed me to sign off, which is crazy because I live in like a really secure place. Like my home is in a secure place, so it's like I've never had a package stolen, anything. Okay, in the 2 years I've been here. But that's here and no there. That motherfucker said, you want to sign for it because we're not giving it up. And I had to wait for this unit. So I apologize, but now I'm so excited that she's here. That's my story. This unit is a Hermosa Hair Glueless Wear and Go wig, deep wave. Okay? And take a look at that lace. Really, really stunning. Okay? Already, she look a little brown too, which I kind of like. This is the inside of the cap. She has an 8x5. No combs, guys. No combs at all. Just an adjustable band on a dome cap. Okay. This unit is a deep wave. She's 26 inches. She's currently going for about $266 on hermosahair.com. Okay. So make sure you guys are looking for that to check her out as well. So I'm going to throw this unit on. Feeling a little yellow, but I think I'm going to look okay once everything is done. But I'm going to throw her on. Shut my mammy mouth and see what we're working with. Before we get into this unit, let's see what Hermosa Hair provided us with. We have an HD wig cap. We have some eyelashes as well as a Hermosa Hair lace band. So I'm just going to throw this unit on our head and let's get on into the deets. So right off the bat, the unit does feel very thick, okay? Very, very thick. There's a lot of hair in this. This is a not bleaching, glueless, wear and go 8x5 pre-cut HD lace closure wig, okay? That's what they're saying, not me. Now, this unit I have is in 26 inches. And for 26 inches, at Wear and Go, this unit is going for $252, but don't you worry. There's always some coupons or some things down below in the description box to make sure that you get this unit for the best possible. So I'm just going on through and plucking this a little bit more. I felt like it needed to be plucked a little bit more in order for it to look a little bit more seamless. This unit without the combs is not something that I am a huge fan of, especially because they in the street snatching sisters' wigs off. So we need a little bit more security here. I'm just going on through and seeing if we can pluck out the part a bit and really try to adjust her to get her to a good spot before we style her down. So this unit is very, very thick. It's important to note that this unit is 180% density for all units that are purchased that are 16 inches to 30 inches, okay? So it's a natural black. It's on a 22.5 inch standard medium size cap, dome cap. And I'm just going to go on through and style her up. So I've decided to do a side part. I'm just going on through and really trying to divine that part out. So I did, if you guys can see, left my little hairs out in the front. Because this is such a big and curly and sexy unit, I just want her to look a little bit more, not natural, but not wiggy, if you're picking up what I'm putting down, okay? So that's never the style to go for. So I'm just going on through and just making sure I define that part a bit. The thing is that I feel like with these Wear and Go glueless caps, the combs are so important because not just security, but it also, to me, helps the unit lay a little flatter. So y'all know your girl do not do any baby hairs, but for this initiative, for this unit, I'm just gonna go on through and chop up this hair and get some baby curls in. I just think that this needs a little bit more of a natural hairline. It feels like the hair starts a little bit too close and it's not as pre-plucked as it possibly should be. So that's an important thing to note as well. So for $266, we're gonna go on through and lay our mammy tapping edges, okay? Now that our part is defined and our baby hairs are popping through, let's go on ahead and really just lay this unit down. I'm going to put the lace band on just to make sure our baby hairs are more defined and safe. So I'm going on through and I'm going to use a wide tooth comb just to comb out these curls a bit, okay? Once I get these curls combed out, I'm going to go on through with some water and some Lotta Body mousse to define these curls. So I want you guys to stay tuned to see how they start popping on out, all right? The unit definitely needed hydration, just like a lot of us. Drinking water, minding our business takes us a long way, and so it does for these units as well. Okay, so I'm going on through, just working that mousse and that water on through the unit, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. So I'm unsure about this wig. If I'm being honest, for this to be a wear and go wig, it took me a little bit more time than I would like to admit. Yeah, I'm really taken aback with how much time this took. It's not giving wear and go. It's giving wear, red light, yellow light, go. You picking up what I'm saying? It's giving Simon Says jump, jump. You know what I mean? Take your time, listen, get her together. I did wet her and put some Lotta Body mousse in her just to get her together properly. I'm just not... She's going for $266 on hermosahair.com. I think wet, she's much softer now, which I love. Much softer, really beautiful. I do love that. I do not love the cap. I felt like the cap was giving big head friendly. It's either too snug or too big. I can't figure it out. I cannot figure it out, but I know that it's not right. Whatever it is, it's not right. Like, it's not where it's supposed to be, and I don't really... When I put the adjustable band on the... So if you ever seen an adjustable band in the back of a wig, it has, like, slots where you can put it, right? Every time I put it in the slot, it will fall out the slot. Every time I put it in the slot, fall out the slot. Then I just pulled it down, and then just put the wig on, right? And then guess what happened? Snap, the adjustable band comes out. So design flaw for sure. So there's that. She shed quite a bit, but I'm going to charge that to her head and not her heart because deep wave wigs do shed. So, that's just par for the course. And not only do they shed, it's a severely curly unit. So if you add comb it or anything like that, it affects the hair. Now, I'm going to say this. Just while this is drying down, I'm loving this unit. I'm loving it. When I had to get this unit together, I had to put baby hairs in this unit, y'all. That should tell y'all what y'all need to know. If you know me, if you're not new here, me putting baby hairs in the unit should tell you what you need to know about the unit. Right or wrong? Right or maybe take me wrong. $266. I think where they were trying to go with the 5x8, I'm going with the 8x5 lace. I'm going with you there. I do love a little bit more lace. I did not have to shift this unit. This is just a side part, like literally. So all of this is lace, which is beautiful. However, to what extent? Like, I'm just not blown away. And I'm not going to pretend like I am. So there's that. Let me turn around so you guys can see that. I mean, but she looked good. I'm giving Portia Williams realness right now. But then also, it's not pre-plucked. Do not love that at all. Like, I feel like because you're giving us a wig that's wear and go and it has that lace already pre-cut, you should pre-pluck the wig too, because what we're really trying to sell is ease. Ease, okay, to the girls. We want to say, you're a working girly, baby, go ahead, throw this wig up on your mammy tatum head. Your man is yelling at you that you late. Go ahead, girl, throw this wig up on your mammy tatum wig. You know what I mean? The kids is yelling, you got to get into the car. Go ahead, girl, throw this wig up on your mammy tatum head. And this is given, but before you do that, lay her down, wet her up. You know what I mean? Make sure you're parting. The part needed to be plucked. What? Ooh, but look at that. Look at that side profile. That's stunning. Now that's stunning. Let me turn around. I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. Look at how pretty the bill is. It's pretty. Once you get her on, it's just, I think that there's aspects of this unit that could have been done better. And that's just on period, on Jesus and all the disciples. So, yeah, that's all I got. I ain't got no more. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Do me a favor, bust down, subscribe to this channel. What's your experience been with Hermosa hair? I want y'all to see that lace. Tell me about it. I want to know. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.